Hello, it's Rasam here, and today I'm going to be talking about Systemctl and services. So Systemctl manages process one and daemon services such as SSH. We use Systemctl not only to deal with process lifecycle, such as starting, stopping, enabling, masking processes, but as well as other functions um, towards services such as editing services. You can edit services using the systemctl command and edit it towards what you want. Starting off with the regular process lifecycle, if you want to reboot your system, then you do systemctl reboot, such as this sudo sudo for administrative privileges, and then you do systemctl to reboot, and then you force it to make sure it does like a good shutdown. You do sudo systemctl power off if you want to power off the system immediately. You do sudo shutdown at a certain time, whatever time you want. Sudo shutdown at 3 a.m. Then you can get a shutdown at 3 a.m. Sudo shutdown within within a few minutes. You can literally do sudo shutdown plus 3 minutes if you want to shut down your system in 3 minutes. Then you do, let's say you want to do some edits. You want to do some edits to services, um, daemon services. Then you can literally just first you want to see what's in the daemon service. So SSH service cat whatever is there, cat SSH service. See what's there. Right now it has this, which makes no sense. So we need to input proper configurations to the SSH service for it to work appropriately. Um, now, that being said, if you want to edit the service from the command line tool, then you do sh edit full service. If you want to revert the SSH service to its default config, right now www that makes no sense, so we want to revert it to its regular default config. So we have to do sudo systemctl revert sh.service. What is the service status? Is the daemon service even running? We didn't know. So check the status of the service. Right now, the settings make no sense. As you can see, like the configs www, which makes no sense. So we're gonna have to fix that up later. As you can see, it gives you hints. You need to have an X start. You need to have a exec stop. You need to have all these parameters for it to actually work appropriately. Systemctl stop service, systemctl start service, systemctl is enabled. Is the service enabled? If not, we need to enable it. Is enabled. Mask it. You can mask your SSH service if you don't want to use it at the moment. This prevents all starts, manually dependency or boot. You can unmask it in order to unhide it. Sudo systemctl list unit to know what type of services we can work with. And last but not least, you can do systemctl get default to see the default boot target. Right now you're using a graphical target, which has certain things that make it easier to work. You can even so there's two different. I believe there's two different boot targets. You can set it to graphical target, or you can set it to multi-user target, which have different um, benefits to it. So let's say I want to switch it to multi-user target. You do sudo systemctl set default multi-user targets. Now if you do get default, the boot target's different now.